at a track right now. Well, not like a track, but just like some sort of a, you feel me? It's a little muddy because it was raining all morning. So on the next round, I'm gonna go another way. Woo. Arm pump is crazy. So yeah, this is the track, guys. See the mud? You slip out right here. Whew. Yo guys, running to the track. We're running the track right now. It goes crazy. So I'm learning how to hit ruts better. Oh, you guys like that? But yeah, this track is so much fun. It's pretty big too. I'm going slow. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm trying to let him get in front because I'm getting dusted right now. Like the dust is going all over my eye. Alright, I'm gonna take off now. So some ruts are solid like that one, and then some other ruts are just covered in dirt, or like sand too. Ow, something went in my eye. Hopefully you guys like these videos more. I'm doing a ton more stuff. Like earlier I was at the beach and now we're hitting some crazy jumps. Wanna go grab the backpacks?
I'm gonna go over on my phone and then I'm gonna go grab my bag.
Okay. Yo! Oh dang. So I'm gonna grab my backpack because we're riding all over. We had to stop and charge. And then I'm gonna hit the dirt over there. He's gonna do one more lap. Actually, shoot, I'll just do it with him because he has to grab his backpack too. Might as well. Let's get him hitting this jump for you guys. He's coming, hit that rat. Professionally tuned suspension by Ben's Lowriders. Really? Alright, run it! Alright. I'm gonna take off now. Like this rut is solid, so you could just hit it. This rut's a little less solid. Then you hit this jump. And then you hit a U. Really? Yo, they actually whip the jumps. I can't quite yet. Turning off my back a little bit. Today was so much fun, guys. Oh, I took my front fender off and got an ODI plate. Coming soon to my website. My new website is now shift built, and I sell footlocks too. Are you ready? Let's see this kid. Not too bad, not too bad. We dusted my phone. Yo, look it. Bro! Alright. Oh, this guy whips. Watch. Put my phone away. Watch, this guy's gonna whip it. I'm gonna run it one more time with my backpack on. You see that? It's crazy. Bro, how does he catch so much speed on this? Ow, my backpack. Charge. Alright, now I gotta wait for my friend real quick. Bro, there's so many bikes here. What, there's probably like 10 bikes right here now? All Surrons and Solarias. Pretty crazy. My friend will catch up. You know where I'm at. Yo! Oh dang. I'm gonna hit this track. So there is shovels here. Alright. Bro, why are there pens right there? Yo. Wait a minute. Yo. Bro. They dug down our jumps. This was a crazy jump. What the? Ah. Alright. I fell in this hole. I did not see it and I went straight in. Put up the picture. It was crazy. Bro, and you guys are probably wondering, where'd your front fender go? Now you know. What's it called? It got scratched, so I just took it off. And then I liked it better. I was gonna order a new one, but then I liked how it looked. No fender. Alright, where is this kid? Alright, I'm just gonna run the track. Bro, they took the jump away. That was the main jump. So much fun. They took it away to build the other jumps. I guess I gotta learn how to hit the other ones. Oh shoot! They made that jump bigger too. Okay, that was cool, that was cool. That was lucky cool. You have to like whip this jump now to end up right here. And you come around and then boom, we done this. My rear wheel landed first. I got a brake tap. Oh guys, I hit a jump earlier. I think my chain stretched, and then we had to go lip mode all the way home, and I was far. Oh sure, I forgot that that's no longer a jump. Oh, I almost went straight. I almost hit that. Yo. So the reason I haven't been posting is because I have 2 strikes on the channel for quote unquote one wheel activities. If you know, you know. You can't say the word no more on YouTube, but it's mostly jumps, so I'm not really doing that. And if you guys stop seeing those in the videos, and you do want to see the one wheel activities, make sure to go check out my Instagram and TikTok. I have a ton of clips, especially on my Instagram. And then you hit this one. Ooh. So, let me know if you guys enjoy dirt riding more. Oh, I'm whipping it. I actually am whipping it to get to the other side. I want more speed on this jump. Okay, getting into a rut. This ain't even a rut, just a turn. We should make it a rut. Alright, ready? Whip! It's still hittable? This. But if we're landing like right there anyway. Should I try it? You try it first. My little test dummy right here. I'm just kidding. Go check him out, Brando Scooter Boys. I'll put his ad up on the screen. Stand out the way just in case he chickens out last minute. You gotta get some speed. Yeah, just go down. Hit that jump. Watch. Hit that jump, go down, and then come back through. See if it's still hittable. Oh, you did. I hit the middle because it's a lot smoother. Same size jump, but doesn't shoot your back end up like a slingshot. Yeah, I think that's hittable now. I mean, they messed it up, but not enough to where it's not hittable no more. Oh, it's still hittable! For what? Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot! I'm good, bro. Alright, ready guys? I'll help you right now. Let me just hit this. Oh! Good boy! Alright, I'm gonna help him. We can speed this part up. Alright guys, uncue time lapse. Finna hit it. Oh shit, my bike's off. Okay, we're gonna hit it guys. Alright. I hit that one kind of mellow because I didn't want to mess up the lip they just built it. So much better. It's so much better. Do we mess it up? Oh, it's holding. Let's go. Let's run it. Ready, guys? Go. Oh shoot, I missed it. Okay, let's run it again. You want to introduce yourself?
Brando Scooter Boys. Yep, I'm famous.
Yep. Alright, I don't want to get dusted. Alright, we're taking off. Give him a head start too, because he's slow. Oh, it's really slippery. We need a nice rain. Like an all day rain. But then we can't ride, but it would make the jumps a lot better. You know, you got that shift built foot look. You already know the deal.
You know? Not even loose or nothing, bro.
Yeah. It locks you into your bike.
That's exactly what I was doing.
Ow. Charger just went. Okay. Charger just went into my back. Oh dang. Okay. Yo! What? What did he say? I don't know what he said. Alright.